everybody, it's Brianna, and today we have a very exciting video. So, in the spirit of Christmas, today I'm going to be making peppermint bark, and I'm actually really excited about it because I was planning on making this peppermint bark as a gift for all of my friends and my family and my... Sorry if I'm being a little bit awkward or you hear some people talking. I'm recording like 9 o'clock at night. My family promised they would go to bed, but they still sound like they're up and I'm scared of them judging me. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Following a recipe, I'll link it down below, from another YouTuber. I don't remember what it was. It was from a long time ago, like I think 7 years ago, but I will still link it down below because it was very easy to follow. Well, hopefully we'll see in the end of this video if it was easy to follow or not. But it asked for bittersweet chocolate. And that kind of threw me for a loop because bittersweet chocolate is nasty. So I'm kind of worried. So we'll see, but let's start with the ingredient list. So believe it or not, there was actually quite a couple things that we needed for our recipe. So the first thing that we need is some bittersweet chocolate chips. I just found these Ghirardelli bittersweet chocolate chips. It called for 10 ounces, so that is what I used. I also have a little bowl for it, so that way we can put it in there and melt it and kind of mix it in. I also got the white chocolate. This is just the classic white, also from Ghirardelli, because they were having a sale. It was buy two for $7. Not each, like all together. And then I also have another bowl for that one. I have 2 spatulas. One is rather small, but I got a bigger one just in case it doesn't work. I have some pure peppermint extract. I'm pretty sure she used peppermint extract in the video, but then in the description box for the ingredients it said peppermint oil and I was really confused, so I just got peppermint extract. Of course, I also have the candy canes that I need to put on top, and with that I also have a rolling pin and a plastic bag so that way I can smash up the candy canes, which I will be doing outside, so that will be fun to try and record. I also have measuring spoons to measure out the peppermint extract, as well as a baking sheet and also a silicone mat to put on top of it. You guys can use parchment paper if you want to. This is just what I had handy. I don't have any parchment paper in my house, so I'm using a silicone mat. And you guys also need a freezer, so yay! Okie dokie, here we are. This is gonna be a rather interesting experiment because I'm not looking back at the recipe. Too lazy for that. The first thing that I'm going to do is try not to crinkle the bag while I'm talking, so I'm gonna pick it up real quick. So I'm going to grab my bag of bittersweet chocolate and I'm going to rip it open. Ooh! And I'm going to dump it in this bowl. Nice. So now I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I don't know for how long. I'm probably gonna put it in there for like 15 to 30 second intervals and like stir it a little bit until it melts. I have melted the chocolate. I'm not gonna do that stupid thing where I tilt it because it'll spill and it's really hot right now. She's sexy. I'm going to add in my half of a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Half of a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. Here we go. Boop. Ooh, that seems like a lot. That smells strong. Okay, we're gonna stir it now until it's all combined. I ended up using both spatulas. Oh, look at me all hunched over. Like I'm Quasimodo. Here we go. I ended up using both spatulas just because I can. I'm the one that has to do the dishes anyways, so. We're going to take our beautiful tray. And I will zoom you guys in so you can see this because you don't care about looking at me hunched over the counter. Is it the best view? I think not, but it's a view. So the video said to just pour it onto the cookie sheet. Oh god, I'm like looking at my camera and not where I'm pouring. Oh my god, do I look like I'm on Tasty from BuzzFeed? Okay, I think I needed a bigger cookie sheet, honestly. Can you You guys even see that? Probably. But we're just gonna spread it as nicely as we can. This. And get some of it off. I fear this might be too thin. We're gonna find out. That's okay. We're gonna let that freeze, my camera cool off, and figure out why the heck I'm out of space. Toodles. Okay, I'm back. It's been 5 minutes since I put the chocolate first layer in, and it said to put it in there only for 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and kind of rush through this second chocolate batch because I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. I'm gonna rinse these off. Okay, sweet. So they're all nice and clean now. Take my second bowl, my white chocolate. Oh. I wanted to get a nice pour. I'm going to pop this into the microwave until it's all melted. Okay, so I'm back. My white chocolate is melted. I took my bittersweet chocolate out. I'm a little worried that it might actually be too thin. I was hoping to have like really thick peppermint bark, but I guess it's really thin peppermint bark. Ooh. Oh shoot. This was very, very time sensitive. Oh shoot. Very time sensitive. I forgot about the candy canes. I'll be back. I was actually supposed to... Someone's coming downstairs. This is now very awkward. Well, this is very time sensitive. I was supposed to get all of these candy canes crushed. Oh, that's a very flattering angle. There we go. So now I have to do it before that hardens. Now we are putting the candy canes in this bag. Can we give a round of applause to my sister, who wishes to show her face? Do I? Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. That's her. Do you wish for one? Bruh. Nice. So now we're going to go outside. Smash. Here we have our candy canes and our super beautiful lighting. Okay, well the bag is leaking, so now it is time to go inside. So now that we are officially bum rushing everything. Oh, the chocolate's still kind of melted. I'm actually gonna put it in for a couple more seconds. Okay, because it's a little bit thicker than I want it to be. Okay, so we have our chocolate now. We're going to pour it onto our other chocolate now. Thicker, she's a thick boy. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Because you gotta change the tune a little bit. Oh, Christmas. Ooh, chocolate. Oh no, it's starting to melt the bottom. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
As you said, this was a test run.
Oh no. So I think this is enough candy cane now. I'll show you what it looks like. Whole thing falls off plate. Don't talk to me like this. She's beautiful. We're gonna pop her in the freezer for 5 minutes and see how she looks. So we're just gonna wait 5 minutes on the clock for that to kind of harden, and then we'll kind of see where we're at. What she did, what the lady did in the video was she kind of just like broke it apart with her hands. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or if I'm gonna like cut it. I have chocolate all over my arm. Wanna lick?
No, thank you.
Okay, so it has been way over 5 minutes since I put it in. It's actually been more like 30 minutes. But yeah, we're gonna take it out now. Sorry if you hear like some snarfling sounds. That's my dog. He won't stop sniffing the floor. What do you have to say for yourself? I love you. Doesn't he look happy? But yeah, so here is my peppermint bark. It looks extremely thin. Oh my god! That doesn't look like it's in half to me.
Can I lick? Oh, now.
There we go. I did save myself this sexy little piece so we could try it really quick. I think it's schmack. Here is my first batch of, what is this called? Peppermint bark. I was gonna say candy corn, but it's not candy corn. Yeah, so that's how it turned out. I'm gonna be making little baggies for them and little signs saying like handmade with love or something, and then giving them to my friends and my family, and then my family's friends, and then my friends' families. But yeah, so there she is. But thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.